Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install the Ghost CMS blog publishing platform on Ubuntu 22.04. First, check the OS version by using the following command. Next, run the following command to install Nginx. Continue to enable and start the Nginx service. Next, install MySQL Server by using the following command. Continue to start and enable the MySQL service. Next, log into the MySQL console. Create a user on MySQL by using the following command. Next, create a database on MySQL by using the following command. Then, grant privileges to the user for that database. Next, download the Node.js package by using the following command. Then, install Node.js by using the following command. Next, create a document directory. Then, change the directory's ownership. Continue to change the permission of the directory. Next, change the directory. Install the latest Ghost CLI version by using Node.js. Next, switch to the user you created. Then, install Ghost CMS by using the following command. It will take several minutes to download and install packages. It will show you many prompts to get information during the installation once the files are downloaded. After the installation is done, you will get the following message. Now, all that is remaining is creating an administrator account and starting to publish. It is very easy to create a first admin account in Ghost. To create one, just navigate to the following URL. Next, you will access your admin panel. Once you are there, you will have to enter the blog name, your full name, email address, and password. Here is what it looks like for confirmation.